Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to stream your PS5 using OBS. So first of all, type in PS Remote Play in your Google Chrome browser. Now in here, go to the official PlayStation link. Now once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Windows PC and Mac download. Click on it and in here, click on download, after which the installer will be downloaded and from there, install the application. Now, after installing the application, you would be at this interface right here. Now in here, click on sign in and sign in using your PlayStation ID. After signing in to your PlayStation account, select your PlayStation, either PS4 or PS5. And one last step is that you should make sure that remote play is also enabled in the settings of your PlayStation. After you've ensured that, connect both the devices through this remote play app right here. Now, after you've done with that, click on the OBS Studio and in here, click on Add Source right here. And in here, click on Display Capture right here. Click on OK. Now in here, in the display one, you would have to select your PS5 display, which would be showing here once you connect both of them. So that is how you can stream PlayStation using OBS.